and you see those positions for developers and they ask like 8 years of experience in 3 languages. This is gonna shift, I think, with ChatGPT coming out, because it used to be about knowledge, but now you can, like, it's still about knowledge, but it's more about experience and more about things that you can do. How I saw this when ChatGPT came out and I played around with it, I saw that it takes away a lot of struggles for developers. Now you just have to be smart enough to put together the right things in the right way. If you have the mind or critical thinking or logical thinking to put together things in a logical, structured way, everyone can become a developer. So now it's more about experience, building your own projects, not really about specific things that you have to remember. The programming language is not as important because now everyone can learn the programming language just by asking ChatGPT things. It's more about the experience, more about the projects,